Hey everyone, before we start the video, I just wanted to take a moment to let you all know about how to change some of their settings on YouTube. If you need captions or if you need to slow the video speed down, here are some instructions on how to do that. You can pause the video now and go ahead and change your settings as you need. Otherwise, just continue on. Thank you. Hey everyone, so I wanted to create a quick tutorial for navigating this EDDMapS website that we're going to be using in the pre-lab and our module. So when you get to this website, the first thing you're going to want to do is create an account and then make sure you're logged in. I'm logged in already, and you can tell you're logged in because you'll also have this My EDDMapS tab here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to click Distribution Maps. And we're going to be focusing on plants, specifically in Illinois. So click the plants, and then from here you can choose whichever type of plant you want to look at. So I'm going to click vines, and I'm going to just scroll through and see which one seems interesting. The air potato seems interesting, so I'll click view and state. And this plant happens to be found in Illinois. There's one positive result. In this case, I'm going to go back and try and find something else because we want more than just one positive result. We want a plant that has been found in multiple places in Illinois. So go ahead and click plants, click vines, and I'll go ahead and click this winter creeper, click state, and it looks like Illinois has a lot of cases, so this seems like it's going to be a good option. So in this case, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and just copy the common name up here and click home. And then click download data, and species, paste the common name. And we'll just click the first option there. And then go down to state, type in Illinois, and click submit. Now what this is doing is it's essentially extracting only the data for that winter creeper in the state of Illinois. And this map kind of helps confirm that. When we want to actually download the data, you're going to click this little CSV file. And it's going to say you're going to receive an email shortly with instructions. Go ahead and close that. You're not actually going to get an email. I'm not really sure why it says that, but I have yet to receive an email when downloading data from here. So just close this, and instead, if we want to get our data, we can go to that My EDDMapS tab, click it, and then go to Downloads. And the thing that's going to show up first is the last request that you've made. So I just made this request. It says that the file is not ready. So you're going to have to wait until it is ready. You kind of just have to keep refreshing the page. It can take 5 minutes. It can take up to 20 minutes. This is why I'm having you download these data early. I went ahead and already put this same information in, and so you can click download, and then your data will get downloaded to your desktop, and you can upload the data to your pre-lab. So when you download your data, it's actually going to be a compressed zip file. That's not what I want you to upload to your pre-lab. What I want you to upload is your actual data with some slight changes to it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is uncompress the zip file, and then go ahead and you're going to have multiple options. This CSV download is going to be the data that you want. So go ahead and open that. I'm going to open it in Excel. And you can see that the first 5 rows of the data here are actually not super helpful. We can see the locations here are Illinois, and we know that that's in the United States. And then if we go over here, we can see both the scientific name and the common name. So go ahead and just delete those rows because we don't need them. And then you can just save the file. The next thing that I want you to do is you can go ahead and quit out, and then you can rename your file. So rename it with your initials and the common name of your plant. Oops, here we go. So now this file is ready to go, and it is in a CSV format, which is what we're going to actually want for our module. So you don't have to change that at all. Just keep it as a CSV. All right, I hope this was helpful, and good luck with your pre-lab.